My name is Mary Rounds, and I'm an attorney with LegalShield's legal provider firm, Riggs Abney, Neal, Turpin, Orbison & Lewis. Today, I'm discussing common legal matters related to your home and how an attorney can help with buying a home, renting an apartment, neighbor disputes, and more. When renting an apartment, it is always a good idea to have an attorney review the agreement. Many rental agreements may look like a lease, but are really in the nature of a property interest. For example, a lease with an option to purchase or lease purchase agreements. No one should sign any such document without review by an attorney first. It's also important to receive advice from an attorney as soon as any disputes arise between landlords and tenants. Most renters are not aware of the strict requirements for formal written notice before landlords must legally act to correct a problem, or how to request return of a security deposit in a format a landlord is required to respond to. An attorney can also discuss with you your rights as a tenant in the state in which you reside. A home is the largest investment most of us make. When buying a home, the buyer's rights are set forth in the purchase agreement, which should be reviewed by an attorney before signing. Any terms and conditions adverse to the buyer should be identified and explained to make sure the agreement is fully understood before signing, especially any obligations to homeowners associations that may be missed. These obligations could increase the cost of the home or put the owner in danger of foreclosure for failure to pay homeowners association dues. It's also important to have an attorney examine the abstract to assure a marketable title, and if there are title defects, identifying the need corrective action. If the buyer is getting financing, the lender will require this. If it's a cash purchase, the buyer should retain an attorney to provide a title opinion to obtain this protection. Some states also require an attorney to be present at closing. As a homeowner, you may encounter a situation where you and a neighbor have a dispute. For example, you may not know who is responsible for replacing a damaged fence or for trees or other items near the property line. There may be a question of access or easements, or you may have issues involving your homeowners association. A consultation with an attorney will allow you to proceed with an understanding of your rights and liabilities and help you to avoid costly mistakes. An attorney can also assist with the purchase or sale of real property, with leases, including leases with purchase options, with notes and mortgages or contracts for deed or for owner-carry type transactions, with homeowners insurance coverage and claims, with city code violations, or with restrictive covenants, either on a deed or in homeowners association bylaws. LegalShield provides plan participants with direct access to a dedicated provider law firm. If you have specific questions related to a home legal matter, you can speak to your LegalShield provider firm.